Hello friends, today we will learn about parts of a plant. Let's meet them. This is the stem, these are the leaves, here are the fruits, and these are the roots. Hello, we are roots. We grow under the soil. We take water and nutrients. Hi, I am the stem. I hold the plant upright and carry water to all parts. Hello, we are leaves. We make food for the plant with sunlight. Hi, I am a flower. I am the most beautiful part. Hello, I am a fruit. I grow from the flower and carry seeds.
Hello bachcho, a plant has many parts. Roots, stem, leaves, flowers and fruit. Each part has a special job. Roots take water, stem holds the plant, leaves make food, flower becomes fruit. Let's say again, roots, stem, leaves, flower, fruit. Can you point to a leaf on a plant? Today we learned about the parts of a plant. Plants are amazing, kids.
Hello, I am the sun. I give light and heat. Say it, Samuel. Hi, I am a bun. I am soft and yummy. Say it, bun.
Hello, I am a nun. I pray and help people. Say with me, nun.
Hi, I run fast. Running keeps us healthy. Say it, run. Hello, playing with friends is fun. Say it, fun.
Hi, I am a gun. I am used by police for safety. Say it, gun.
Hello, I make funny word jokes. Say it, pun.
Hello bachcho, all these words end with the same sound, un. Say it again, word un. Let's read together. Sun, bun, nun. Run, fun, gun, pun. Very good. Now trace the words. Follow the dotted lines. Say while tracing, write neatly and slowly, kids. Great job, bachcho. Learning words is fun.
Hello, when we hug it shows love and care. Say it, hug. Hi, I am a jug. I hold water or juice. Say it, jug. Hello, I am a mug. People drink tea or milk from me. Say it, mug. Hi, I am a rug. I lie on the floor. Say it, rug. Hello, I am a bug. I am a tiny insect. Say it, bug. Hi, this is Doug. It means something was dug in the ground. Say it, dug. Hello, I am a lug. I am a small part used to hold things. Say it, lug. Hi, I tug things. I pull things hard. Say it, tug.
Hello bachcho, all these words end with the same sound, ug. Say with me, ug. Let's read together. Hug, jug, mug. Rug, bug. Dug, dug. Lug, tug. Very good. Now trace the words. Follow the dotted lines. Say while tracing, write neatly. Great job, bachcho. Learning words is fun.
Hello, friends. I am 23. Let's spell me. T-W-E-N-T-Y-T-H-R-E-E. Wow! Look at all these suns. There are so many. Let's count them together till we reach 23.
Hello, bachcho. 23 comes after 22 and before 24. The number name is 23. Let's spell it. T-W-E-N-T-Y-T-H-R-E-E. Say it again. 23 means 20 and 3 more. Very good. We counted 23 suns.
Hello, friends. Today we will learn about animals. There are two types, domestic animals and wild animals. Let's learn.
Hello, I am a cow. I live with people and give milk.
Hi, I am a sheep. I give wool.
Hello, I am a horse. I help people in travel and work. Hi, I am a dog. I guard the house.
Hello, I am a buffalo. I also give milk. Hi, I am a camel. I help people in deserts.
We are all domestic animals.
We live with people. Hello, I am a monkey. I live in trees and forests.
Hi, I am a lion. I am the king of the jungle. Hi, I am a tiger. I am a strong wild animal.
Hello, I am an elephant. I am big and powerful.
Hello, I am a giraffe. I have a long neck.
We all are wild animals. We live in forests.
Hello बच्चों, today we learned domestic animals live with us. Wild animals live in forests. Let's name domestic animals: cow, dog, horse, sheep, buffalo and camel. Let's name wild animals: lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe and monkey. Which animal do you like? Animals are amazing, kids.
Hello, I am 78. My number name is 78. Say it with me, 78. Wow, look at all these stars. Let's count them together till we reach number 78. Hello, friends. I am number 79. Do you know how I am made? 70 and 9 come together and make 79. Wow, so many flowers. Let's count them together till we reach number 79.
Hello बच्चों, 78 comes after 77. 79 comes after 78. 78 means 70 and 8 more. 79 means 70 and 9 more. After 78 comes, yes, number 79. Great job बच्चों. Numbers are fun. Today we learned number 78 and 79.
Hello, friends. Today we will learn about animals and their babies. Let's meet them.
Hello, I am a sheep.
And I am her baby, a lamb.
Hi, I am a dog.
I am a small pup.
Hello, I am a cat.
I am a cute kitten.
I am a horse, and my baby is called a foal.
I am a young foal.
I am a pig, and my baby is called a piglet.
I am a small piglet.
I am a donkey, and my baby is called a foal.
Hello, I am a foal. I am small and learning to walk.
I am a hen, and my baby is called a chick.
I am a goat, and my baby is called a kid.
Hello, I am a kid.
I am a duck, and my baby is called a duckling.
Quack! I am a duckling.
I am a cow, and my baby is called a calf.
Very good. Now let's say them together. Dog, pup. Cow, calf. Sheep, lamb. Horse, foal. Cat, kitten. Pig, piglet. Donkey, foal. Hen, chick. Goat, kid. Duck, duckling. Every animal has a special name for its baby. Keep practicing and you will remember them easily.
I am a tiger. My baby is called a cub.
I am a tiger cub. I will grow strong like my mother.
I am an elephant. My baby is called a calf.
I am a baby elephant. I love walking with my family.
I am a bear. My baby is also called a cub.
I am small now, but I will grow big and strong.
That's right, little one.
I am a fox. My baby is called a pup.
I am a playful fox pup.
I am a rhinoceros. My baby is called a calf.
I stay close to my mother for safety.
Hello kids, did you notice something interesting? Some animals share the same baby names. Tiger and bear babies are called cubs. Elephant and rhino babies are called calves. Wild animals live in forests and take care of their babies. We should love and protect them. Animals and their babies are so special.